Welcome to MCQ Mastery, your smart way to stay ahead with the latest current affairs for competitive exams. Don't forget to like, hype, share, and subscribe to never miss an important update. For the PDF, join the channel and check the description below. Now, let's jump straight into today's first question. In which country were the 2026 Commonwealth Games organized? Correct answer. D. Scotland. Next question. Which city hosted the Commonwealth Games 2026? Correct answer. D. Glasgow. Next question. The 2026 Commonwealth Games were held between which dates? Correct answer. D. 23rd July to 2nd August 2026. Next question. Which edition of the Commonwealth Games was held in 2026? Correct answer. A. 23rd. Next question. What is the name of the official mascot of the 23rd Commonwealth Games 2026? Correct answer. C. Finny. Next question. How many sports are featured in total at the 2026 Commonwealth Games? Correct answer. B. 10. Next question. Which organization governs the Commonwealth Games? Correct answer. A. Commonwealth Sport. Next question. Which country topped the medal table at Glasgow 2026? Correct answer. C. Australia. Next question. What was India's overall position in the medal tally? Correct answer. A. 4th. Next question. How many total medals did India win at the 2026 Commonwealth Games? Correct answer. D. 39. Next question. How many gold medals did India win? Correct answer. D. 13. Next question. How many silver medals did India win at Glasgow 2026? Correct answer. C. 17. Next question. How many bronze medals did India win? Correct answer. D. 9. Next question. Which sport contributed the highest number of medals for India? Correct answer. A. Boxing. Next question. India won a record number of gold medals in which combat sport? Correct answer. B. Boxing. Next question. Who won India's first medal at the 2026 Commonwealth Games? Correct answer. B. Para powerlifter Jhandu Kumar in men's heavyweight. Next question. Who won India's first gold medal at the 2026 Commonwealth Games? Correct answer. A. Mirabai Chanu. Next question. Indian weightlifter Mirabai Chanu won a gold medal at the 2026 Commonwealth Games in which weight category? Correct answer. A. Women's 48 kilograms. Next question. Which Indian weightlifter won a third consecutive Commonwealth Games gold medal? Correct answer. C. Mirabai Chanu. Next question. In which sport did Raja Muthupandi win a silver medal at the 2026 Commonwealth Games? Correct answer. D. Weightlifting, men's 65 kilograms category. Next question. Valluri Ajay Babu won a silver medal in which sport? Correct answer. D. Weightlifting, men's 79 kilograms. Next question. Which medal did Indian weightlifter Chanambam Rishikanta Singh win at the 2026 Commonwealth Games? Correct answer. B. Silver in men's 60 kilograms weightlifting event. Next question. Which Indian athlete won silver in the women's 53 kilograms weightlifting event? Correct answer. D. Gyaneshwari Yadav. Next question. Who won the silver medal in the men's javelin throw at the 2026 Commonwealth Games? Correct answer. B. Neeraj Chopra. Next question. Who won the bronze medal at the Commonwealth Games 2026 in men's javelin throw? Correct answer. B. Yashveer Singh. Next question. Who won the gold medal in the men's 60 kilograms judo event at the Commonwealth Games 2026? Correct answer. B. Harsh Singh. Next question. Who won the gold medal in the women's 48 kilograms judo event at the Commonwealth Games 2026? Correct answer. A. Asmita De. Next question. Who won the silver medal in the women's 57 kilograms judo event at the Commonwealth Games 2026? Correct answer. C. Yamini Maurya. Next question. Which Indian para-athlete won gold in the men's shot put F57? Correct answer. B. Soman Rana. Next question. Which Indian para-athlete won gold in the women's F57 shot put? Correct answer. D. Sharmila Dhankar. Next question. Which Indian athlete won gold in the men's 60 kilograms boxing event? Correct answer. C. Sachin Sivach. Next question. Which Indian athlete won gold in the men's 80 kilograms boxing event? Correct answer. D. Ankush Panghal. Next question. Preeti Pamwar won a gold medal in which sport? Correct answer. A. Boxing, women's 54 kilograms. Next question. Jasmine Lamboria won a gold medal in which sport? Correct answer. C. Boxing, women's 57 kilograms. Next question. Arundhati Chaudhary won a gold medal in which sport? Correct answer. C. Boxing, women's 70 kilograms. Next question. Which Indian athlete created history by winning a Commonwealth Games medal in the decathlon? Correct answer. B. Tejaswin Shankar. Next question. Which Indian athlete won 2 medals at Glasgow 2026? Correct answer. D. Gulveer Singh. Next question. Which Indian athlete won silver in the men's high jump? Correct answer. B. Sarvesh Kushre. Next question. Which Indian discus thrower won bronze in Glasgow 2026? Correct answer. B. Seema Kaliramna. Next question. In which city Commonwealth Games 2022 were organized? Correct answer. D. Birmingham, England. Next question. Which city will host the 2030 Commonwealth Games? A. Auckland. B. Ahmedabad. C. Birmingham. D. Kuala Lumpur. Give the correct answer in the comment box. Wanna take your prep to the next level? Join our channel for exclusive perks like PDFs, ebooks, monthly current affairs MCQs, and so much more. Tap join button or scan the QR code, links in the description. Don't miss out. For more updates, join our social media pages. That's a wrap. Hit the subscribe button, do like, hype, comments and share. More quizzes coming your way.